Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on getting your TV to automatically turn on when you switch on the PlayStation 5. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the dashboard of PS5, move to the top and then go to the right until you get to Settings and open them. In Settings, open System. In System Settings, select the second heading on the left called HDMI. In HDMI settings, make sure the first option, called Enable HDMI Device Link, is turned on. Once that's on, you must also turn on Enable One Touch Play. If One Touch Play is enabled, when you power on your PS5, your TV will also turn on and switch to the right input. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more PS5 tips and tricks.